For the Huffington Post, I'm Christina Hartman. Sex with Neanderthals? That's old news. The latest findings? East Asians had sex with a Neanderthal knockoff group, the Denisovans. So says evolutionary biologist Matthias Jacobson at Sweden's Uppsala University. The genetic signal is less strong than it is in the oceanic islands, such as the Philippines. On the Asian mainland, the genetic similarities to Denisovans are strongest in southern China and Southeast Asia. It's hard to tell when the Denisovans and human interbreeding occurred, but since Europeans don't have Denisovan ancestry, it's likely the mating occurred around 23,000 to 45,000 years ago, after Southeast Asians and European populations diverged. So why is it a big deal? Wired notes it's changing the way we think about the origins of all species. Until relatively recently, it was thought that human ancestors trekked out of Africa about 100,000 years ago in a single straight shot, descending without diversion into modernity. But what's emerged from fossil findings in recent years is a picture of Homo sapiens and its near relatives flowing out of Africa again and again, with some populations vanishing and others surviving, often living side by side. The Denisovans were largely thought to be more prominent in places like modern-day Philippines and New Guinea. CBS News notes, with so little known about Denisovans, any traces of connectivity are considered breakthroughs. The Denisovans likely split off from the Neanderthal branch of the hominin family tree about 300,000 years ago, but little else is known about their appearance, behavior, or dress. The more digging scientists do, the more complex the genetic pictures become. Bits of genes are almost all that are left behind of some ancient populations, including the Denisovans. And in rare cases, those slivers of genes remain. The Telegraph notes the goal is to answer the age-old question: where did we come from? The genetic difference between Neanderthals and Denisovans is roughly as great as the maximal level of variation among us modern humans. With more complete genomes from modern humans and more analyses of fossil material, it will be possible to describe our prehistory with considerably greater accuracy and richer detail. For the Huffington Post, I'm Christina Hartman.